Okay, good evening, everyone. So let's have a look at the market. Let's have a look at what is actually happening at the moment on the market. So basically, just a second, sorry about it. All right. The European session is already closed. North America is working at the moment, and what we do, we can analyze the market, and basically if we won't have any kind of clear signals for entry, then we can leave it till tomorrow. So today I want to see what we can do, and if we have some kind of signals, then we will use it. Okay, so basically I will write you all the welcome, welcome, and if you want, please write here. Any questions? Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's have a look at the market. What is going on? So first of all, New Zealand dollar, all the picture is the same. I'm expecting it to bounce from the level where it is at the moment. It's 0.72209. And it will go down till at least 0.71400. You can enter it here, but I would not probably recommend it to do it now. Well, I'm already in the market. So for me, I do have a stop loss. I do have a kind of a take profit as well. And for me, it's just matter of time that something will happen. My stop loss will be triggered or my take profit. So let's see. But well, why I'm not recommending to enter it at the moment is because, well, the Asian session will come, and that's when the New Zealand dollar is better to trade. So when the Kiwi is better traded. The next where we can go is pound yen. Pound is going down quite rapidly. Not sure that it's a good idea to enter it at the moment. So basically just place a line here as I do. And when this line will be broken, if it will, then you can place to, I would say, this level here, 129.62, sell limit order with the stop loss just above the level. Okay, so that's what I would suggest to do, and then let's go further. So Aussie yen again, it is going down at the moment. The first target is 74.800. The next target 72.230. Which is possibly will be reached. It's 1 hour chart, by the way, and we are not talking about like a steady moves now, so it will be kind of in quite a long term. It will take possibly the whole next week or something like this. So what we do here, we are waiting for any kind of confirmations. So basically at the moment don't see any entries. The price is going down. That's what we have to wait. So wait till this first level is broken or bounced from here, and it all depends on price action around the level, and that's basically is going to show us what we will do next. But what I think that this level will be broken and the price will go further to 72.230. Okay, so let's go further. It's dollar CAD. Okay, I thought, to be honest, that the price will reach this level here, which is 1.28436. It hasn't been reached yet. So what is possibly going to happen, we will have a third wave here. Let me draw it now. So it's the first one, second one, third one. So this level here will be triggered. and then the price will possibly go down. But the thing is that because we are very close to these highs, it's very easy, the price can actually continue its move towards here, towards 1.3118, and then we can try to sell it at this level. So basically, yes, we did have a very good impulse move towards up, quite a long-term correction here. So it can be the first and second wave of the other impulse move. So this level also can be kind of, how can I say, can be broken as well. So we have to wait till this level is hit and then do something around this area, or please watch this level as well. So basically, if this is a correction wave, then from here we are going down. If not, then we are going up, and we must watch this level here. Okay, so that's my view on this pair. And excuse me. All right, I hope that you can hear me well, that it all working. It all works, sorry. A bit tired today already. Okay, so that's about dollar CAD. The target, basically, present target is just above here. So 305, I would say, 306. And then we can try to sell it here, but we must watch price action first. Then we'll see. Okay, let's go further. It's gold. So basically, I thought that, well, my analysis was showing, and I was waiting till this level is hit before the price, before we kind of can, we will be able to kind of sell it. But as we can see, the price is moving up again. So it didn't actually touch this level, and the price did go down. And the possibility is that the price now is going to continue its up movement, and this level at 1377.30 will be broken, and the price will reach 1402 as well. All this level are weighted with volume. So basically, these are the option levels that I have read from the CME reports. All these reports are available to the public, but just not many traders are using them, unfortunately. So basically, that's what it is. That's what I do. That's what I see here. Let's go further. New Zealand yen, the price is going in a range at the moment. So what we can see here, anything can happen. Basically, two key levels, I would say. It's 74.194 is the first one, and another key level is 71.500. So, of course, we're kind of on 50. If we use like Fibonacci, if you are using Fibonacci and if you like it, so if we'll place it here, so it's 50%, has already been tested, and the price kind of reversed from here. What I think that we are still in this kind of trend direction. So if you know what I mean, so this is what it is. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, here we go. So this is a channel. When this channel will be broken, we are going down towards here. But I guess that the possibility is quite high that we will stay in this channel until this level is reached. Okay, let's go further. A dollar franc. As I've mentioned before, I've been expecting it to hit this level here at 97.45. Well, it hasn't been hit yet, so, and it won't possibly, but the price was really close here, and we then moved further up. So basically, the price is going up, and the first target is 975.95. Then the price will continue its movement to 982, because my analysis is showing that this level will be broken. So I do not recommend to sell it from here, but in case if the price will get to this area at 975, somewhere here, then this is going to be a very good opportunity to buy dollar franc, this instrument here. Okay, go further. Mexican bounced of this level 18.6915 quite nicely, I would say. Yes, and we have broken this level already. The price has closed 2 times, 2 hours above this level. We still have to wait for 4 hours. As you know, 4 hours are much kind of stronger signal than 2, and basically wait how the day is going to close, and then if it will be above this level, then we can try to place a limit order, buy limit order here. It all depends where the price will stay when the American session will be closed. Okay, so when this level at 19.04762 will be reached, well, anything can happen. Well, we do have a weekly and monthly bearish pattern here, so the price can possibly go down from this level as well. So for now, I don't see any clear entries at the moment, so we have to wait till the day will be closed. Then we'll have to check where the day is going to close. So basically, we can try to buy it here with the target at 19.04762, but if we'll research the higher time frame, then we'll be able to see that the price is possibly going to reverse this week on Friday, which means tomorrow, or it can also be the next week, the beginning of the next week, and the price will continue its down movement. So because quite you know, strong bearish reversal pattern on the weekly chart and monthly chart. Okay, so let's go further. What we have here is that CAD yen. Yes, so CAD is going down. And the first level is here, the key level. I guess it will be broken. Do not recommend to place a sell stop orders around this area. What I would recommend is to wait till this level is broken and then placing a limit order at this low here, roughly. So that's my opinion. And the first target will be 76.05. So that's my view on CAD yen at the moment. Let's go further. Okay, so wow, that's nice. Aussie, New Zealand, yes. All right, Aussie, New Zealand. So as we can see, there was some messy area around here, and let me go to 4-hour chart. Well, yesterday I kind of shown you this area here. Well, if you remember, I did have a rectangle around this area because I've been telling you about this accommodation here, and I already told you that in case if these stop losses are above this area will be triggered, it means that the bearish movement accumulation have been on place. So that's what basically happened. So the price is going down. We can try to sell it at around 1.042 at the moment. So we have to wait till the day will be closed. Then we have to see how the Asian session will be finished, and then possibly the price will kind of reverse till this level here, 1.042, and then it will continue its down movement. So that's basically what's normally happening. So that's what I would recommend to do. So don't panic, you didn't lose anything. That's what I want to say. All right, so let's go further. It's euro dollar. Euro dollar is showing us, well, this level at 1.11546 has not been reached yet. So the the price is at the consolidation phase at the moment. Something is going to happen here. So basically the possibility of, well, I wrote the third wave like this, but the possibility that something like this is going to happen is quite high at the moment because the price has already reversed. So watch these levels here. The price can possibly go further down, or it can bounce from this level, of these levels, and it will continue its up movement then. So we'll see. You know, European situation at the moment is not really nice, so anything can happen actually. Okay, so let's go further. The next one is Euro-Yen. Euro-Yen, Euro is going down, so Euro is going down almost everywhere, and Pound as well. So basically in Euro-Dollar, not a big chance that the Euro is going to go up there. So the down movement or bearish movement is possibly going to continue. Okay, so what we can do at the moment, we must wait till this level is broken. If the price will kind of stay below this level for a couple of hours, then we'll be able to place a limit order at 111.30 and sell it with a limit order and stop loss like let's say 20 pips. I would say I wouldn't place more than 20-25 pips. So that's what I would suggest to do. Okay, let's go further. EuroCAD, the price is so messy here. I thought that the possibility of this level to be broken is quite high. It hasn't been broken yet. It means that, and actually it's been bounced off this level quite nicely, as we can see. So if you want to trade it, you can try to place a limit order at 1.435 here and wait till this level is reached. So this is a target. And just below this level at 1.4304 is a stop loss. So if you want, you can place it here, or whatever you use, whatever your approach is, but it all depends on how much is your lot, basically. So how much money are you ready to lose here? So yes, this is the first target. We've already bounced. We do have a confirmation here, and we can actually place a limit order around here. Okay, and this is a target. Next one, Euro-Pound. The Euro is going up against the Pound, and what it is, the price is yes, well, I don't know. I don't see any patterns at the moment. The price will most likely continue its up movement towards the 0.87537. And what we have to do here is to wait for some sort of correction towards here, I would say 0.84. So that's where I would consider to buy, but not earlier than that. And now it's just better to wait till this level is reached and try to sell it over here for a correction. So that's what I would suggest to do. Okay, let's go further. What is going to happen? Okay, so it's dollar-yen. The level of 101.592 has been broken. We did have some kind of correction here to collect some, you know, break-evens here, and someone probably, used the limit orders to enter the market with the target at 99.51. So that's the target at the moment. And the price is going down. Don't see any particular signals at the moment. Do not recommend to enter it from the market. Okay, let's go further. What is happening with Aussie dollar? Well, we've started with Aussie actually, as far as I remember. Or what was it? Well, yes, okay. The Aussie is going down, and the target is 7.4060. We actually can try to place a limit order at 0.75. Try to place a limit order just here. Stop loss just above 0.7515, and the target it's 0.7406. Okay, let's go further. It's pound. Yes, we've already been here. Okay, guys, so basically very short kind of view of the market at the moment. I'm well, basically I'm short on pound. I do think that the price will continue its down movement. We don't have any reversal patterns here, but the thing is that 2858 is quite strong option level at the moment. What I mean by option level, that there is lots of volume around this level, so we might have a sort of kind of correction here. So would not recommend to place a sell stop here, because the night is coming, the market is going to move not quite a lot, to be honest, so the volatility is going to drop. Okay, so that's my view on the market today. Didn't have any questions, unfortunately. If you have anything, if you want to ask me how to enter the market when you see some kind of, let's say, if you have an analysis, if someone is telling it to you, or you've made an analysis by yourself, it's very important to know how you are going to enter the market. This is one of the very important parts in trading. I mean, because, well, when the people are saying about trading system, it's actually the way of entering the market. And but trading system without proper analysis is not going to give you anything, any profit, I mean, in the long term. So basically, what I try to show you is one of the simplest ways of ways of doing the analysis, which can improve your trading a lot. But you have to know that there is a lot more behind what I'm trying to say to you, what I'm saying to you. So behind that, it's much more than just these levels. So that's why I really want you to start ask me questions. So that's why I'm here. And again, if you want to share some views with me or with others, you can join me in Hangouts, and we can kind of have a presentation together as well. So I don't mind it at all. So, okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I don't think that I'm going to be in the air today. So tomorrow at before the European session starts, I'm going to be with you. We'll tell you what is going to happen, and we'll see, of course, how the market will behave during the Asian session, what it will give us. Probably we'll have some interesting signals to enter the market. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a good evening, and hope that your day was pretty good, which is good, of course, for you and for me as well. And I really hope that I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.